This is Asian prawn. As you can see how long it is, what we're going to do now is we're going to lay it the length of my forearm and just put that in the picture. Can you guys see how big this is? You got that? I also want you to take a snapshot of that after this. Okay, but we're going to show you guys, this is what we're going to put on the plate. Okay, so...
Still alive, by the way.
Whoop. And they do bite. Yes. You get those things, those claws back at you. And if you want to see here, yes, they can draw blood. This is it. He bit me on my finger there. See that? Okay. So yes, this is no messing around. The real deal. Here's the lab. You see the orange on the fin there? If you dare put your hand in the middle of his claw like I do, I'm just crazy.